So I demonstrate how to assemble the CPU case or system unit. So first remove the accessories and wear the anti-static brace strap and put the metal in the case, the CPU case. So first, put the CPU in processor socket.
Disassemble.
Yes, si Alkaline.
Put the CPU in processor socket and lock it. Then put the cooler pan or the CPU cooler and screw the bolts. So it's okay na. Put the motherboard in the CPU case.
So now I demonstrate so how to disable system unit or
Before that, so this is the PS2 port, serial port, VGA or video graphic array, USB, modem port, and audio port. So this is the mic, the music and speaker.
today we're gonna talk about how to install pink face.
So this is the PCI port, the peripheral component interface, and this is the AGP accelerated graphics port. This is the north bridge and the south bridge, and the memory slot, the 24-pin ATX power connector, the IDE integrated drive electronic, So this is also called capacitor, and this is the small one called inductor. This is example of inductor, and this. And this is the battery of CMOS. So next, we need to put the motherboard in CPU case. We need to put the motherboard in CPU case carefully.
I'm going to teach you how to assemble the system unit. So first we have, we have to tie our hair. And also we need to take off our earrings or our neck. I need to.
So after that, put the bolts in the motherboard and lock it.
To prevent electrostatic discharge or ESD. So the tools that I'm going to use is the screwdriver to take off the screw in the system unit.
Okay. So we need to screw the bolts to secure or to lock the motherboard and di siya mahulog.
We need to take off the screw of the power supply.
Haluga pala to, haluga. Sira na yun dyan. Ito sa kabila.
So after you take off the power supply, next thing you do is to take off the screw in the motherboard and take off the cables or the connectors and connect them to the motherboard. Hindi lang Tagalog.
So after that, plug all the wires or then
So this is the CPU cooler. So we need to break off the CPU cooler. So after finish of the CPU cooler or the CPU fan,
So put
there is a processor socket on the
put
side.
this the wire
This is the processor.
and plug it.
So inside the processor socket, we have the CPU or the central processor unit. So we have to take care of it. So this is
Next,
the
so,
south way. This is the north. This is the
Line
PCI or
power supply and
this is the APK or
football.
related graphic board. And also this is the also this is the RAM or random access memory. And this is the memory strand. So this is the 24-pin ATX power connector. So ATX means advanced technology extended. And this is the IDE strand. So IDE means integrated drivers electronics. So this is the USB header. This is the CMOS battery or the complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery. And also we have here the audio port, the Ethernet port or the modem port. We have the USB port, the VGA or video graphic array port. We have the serial port, and also we have the PS2 port. So as you can see here, the green port, it is the mouse, and also the violet color is the keyboard. So in the audio port, the blue is the speaker, the green is the music, and the pink is the mic. So for instant information, as you can see, this is the
Next,
capacitor.
and last one, we need to lock
Capacitor have
the
different colors, but they
CPU is
they have the same name. This is the capacitor. This is the capacitor. So
install this CPU.
this is the resistor, as you can see here. That's the
Last, we need to put the bolt.
Also, this is the inductor. This is the inductor, and also, as you can see, the small one, that is the diode. So that's the part of our motherboard in system unit.
Totally installed as system.